Hey bucket lister, this is Trav Bell, the bucket list guy, the world's #1 bucket list expert, and I cannot wait to be joining you up at the Siebel Yarrawonga Silverwoods on the 21st and 22nd of May. This is going to be an amazing event. I'm joining Phil and Milton, and together we're going to be creating an amazing event. A really event for you to take time out of your life to work on your life. See, for the last 10 years, I've been running around the world as the bucket list guy. Someone called me the bucket list guy 10 years ago, and I've been speaking about this positive psychology message for those 10 years, inspiring groups all around the world. And I know that you're definitely going to get something out of this. If you haven't registered, do so right now, okay? Grab a ticket, not just for yourself, but also for your family, teenage kids especially, for your team, for your spouse. Bring along whoever, because at the end of the day, I know that you will leave here, and the stuff that we'll do, you'll leave this event just wishing and hoping that everyone around you, around in your ecosystem, were there as well. So we're going to make this a big event, okay, guys? You're going to take time out. It's a really great opportunity to take time out of your life to work on your life. For you entrepreneurs who are watching this right now too, I say this, is that a bucket list is a tangible life plan where our career plan or our business plan should fit into our life plan and not be the other way around. We're really going to be bringing home this work to live principle, okay? And what I call and redefining, and right now we've all had to redefine what this work-life blend is going forward into this new normal post-COVID. This is going to be an opportunity to reshape that, recalibrate on that. And I mean, it's helped so many people over this last 10 years, and I know it's going to help you guys as well. Okay, we're going to go through the life grid, which will give you a massive wake-up call. It'll help you stop just existing and start to truly live. Stop living by default, live by intentional design. We're going to go through your reverse bucket list as well, and also craft out your future bucket list, all right, that involve not just for you, not just for you and your spouse, but for your whole family. You really will leave with a whole heap of stuff that will honestly change your life, okay? So come along, grab a ticket, 21st, 22nd of May at the Siebel. Join myself, Milton, and also Phil, and we're going to have an amazing event. So register today if you haven't done already, and make sure you grab a ticket for the rest of your ecosystem, because this stuff is better shared with those that you care about. All right, guys? So I'm going to be seeing you there on the 21st and 22nd of May. Come along. I'll see you there. Life's way too short not to live your bucket list. All right, bye.